Oh wow. I mean, we actually might be seeing the big upside potential here. I don't want to like say this is it, but let's go for the last time something has happened. I predicted an EMA 20 hit. Did I predict this kind of upsize? No, I did not think this will go even higher like this. Because I'm used to the EMA 20 rejection, as you can see every time here. EMA 20 rejection, EMA 20 rejection. We get above it, and then the next candle goes down. So let's look at let's analyze HOLO. The last pump was just straight up here. As you can see, it went freaking massive, 1,000%, and it kept going. And this is the potential of this thing. HOLO is known for pump. Any stock that's not known for pump, you cannot expect it to pump massive. Are you going to get one of these things? This is going to be pure luck if you time it, perfectly to the day that you get this. So I'm looking at HOLO, and I mean, yes, it's just insane. So as I say, guys, always take conservative profits. I mean, you don't go broke taking money. If the market leaves you 30% on your account, do you take that, or do you risk it and you try to make more? If you're going to risk it, have a trail stop. If your trailing stop hits, that's fine. You were actually a professional trader. You managed your risk. You didn't let the market take back its gains, and you played it right. And that's what I tell everyone. I'm starting to. I personally like to scale out. Everybody that's in my Discord, for Moan. I started scaling out. What was our first target? EMA 5. I scale out. EMA 10. I scale out. EMA 20. Poof. You should be out totally. But if you want to wait for this rare circumstance, then sure. So here's HOLO here, and wow, what a massive size. So as you can see, the EMAs are going to an uptrend, right? So what we have here is the EMA 5 is above the 10 and the 20, and then the 10 is going to start curling above the 20, and the 20 is going to start acting as your baseline. That's very bullish. That's very nice, because we're not sliding anymore like this. As you can see, you're just sliding down with all the EMAs. And then, here and there, the EMA 5 tries to get above. It doesn't. Right in here, the EMA 5 tries to get above the 20, but it just can't. It did not hold it, as the price just dumped. So I think this one looks different. It looks different. It looks like there's actually support. It looks like it actually wants to go and hit, ATR4, which is about 84 cents. Can it hit that? It's a big sell zone if it does. A lot of the times price, it just really struggles staying above this. So that's why it comes to, like, what is your average? What what are you willing to risk? What are you willing to do? And that's really what it is. It had this nasty downtrend. A lot of people were sucked into 80 cents, 90 cents, above $1, $2, $3 is where it really had a lot of people pumping, and everyone's trying to predict this price, and a lot of people were totally wrong. I've seen it at $2, and people are saying, now's the pump. At $1, now, every time it has a move up, everyone was predicting now's the time it's going to pump. I will say this time looks different from the others. I will give you guys that. This time, you're seeing the EMA 5 above the 20 and the 10 acting as support. Right in here, you see the bounce up. This is right here is my reversion to the mean target. Anybody that watched my videos before, you had made a solid 40% from here. All the rest of these gains are the cherry on the ice cream. That is just a cherry on the ice cream. The market is giving you more gains than you wanted to, and you can eat the ice cream, enjoy it. But that's all that is. This is just extra gains. If you followed the system to a T, you would have bought easily under the EMA 5, 10, and 20. You buy under the EMAs, you never buy above it. So for the people writing this, you should have a good average already if you're in my system. If you're not in my system, you're kind of hoping it goes to your average and you get out. That's not the strategy you want to play, because no one can tell you with a straight face that HOLO is going to go to this price. If they do, they're lying out of their butt, and we all be millionaires. Nobody knows where HOLO is going to go. I can give you a price prediction that the ATR4 is a general area where it can go, and HOLO has went and pumped above it and can stay in this area and then go back down and then go above. But I don't know the exact price. Like, I just know what the reversion to the mean was. The reversion to the mean is that price has to go back to the EMA 20. If it don't do it in 2 months, you had this rapid motion up to it. And that's what we're seeing with HOLO. So we're below the EMA 5, 10, and 20. You look for time distance. You might ask, well, where do you get the precise entries? You draw your trend channel. and you look for obviously that broke out of that. You draw a short-term trend channel and you look for price to be close as possible to that lower trend, along with the big thing is time distance. HOLO hasn't hit the EMA 20 guys in like 2 months. It was definitely due for it. Look at this last time it touched the EMA 20. Back in 604? I mean, it took over 2 months. That's really rare for HOLO, guys. The reversion to the mean play would have gave you about, a nice solid gain. All right, so this is my analysis on HOLO. Price prediction, ATR4. Do we go back and hit the EMAs? Do we go under? We will see. But I do think this is a different experience. I showed you guys the last time. The EMA 5 was never above the 20 and the 10. That's very bullish. All right, guys. That's all I have to say. If you guys want to join the Discord, join the community, understand how things work, understand how price action works, how it moves in waves, you never be scared of, if you're down a little, you understand where price has to go. And that's the main thing. You understand it, you're not getting scared, you accumulate properly, and then you sell the rips. And that's what this is. It's a sell the rip type play. Anything else the market gives you is a cherry on the top of the ice cream. That's all it is. All right, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, hit the link down below in the YouTube comments, and in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord, and it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is head on over to Server Shop on the top left, and there's 2 memberships. Two simple memberships with a very low price that will make you thousands of dollars depending on your account, and massive wins. Over 95% win ratio, with a very, very back-tested strategy that's always improving. One-on-one mentorship if you need it. Live streams are here that you can watch. You can watch me go live, and then you get entries and exits to your phone. If you just want to know how to do the strategy, I'm doing it in real time, so I do alert these plays. $12 a month, it gets you access to all the education, swing trading, day trading, prop firm futures that I started to do. And if you do it on your phone, it charges you a little more. So try to do it on your computer, and it'll do that flat rate. I think you guys are going to really like it. It's the way we try to do it is we don't want to backhold. We want to make sure, the price has a nice area to pump to. And when I'm saying this is the cherry on the top, that's just, HOLO is known to pump big. So we know that. So we know this is a play to keep in mind. If we're having a nice average and we're below the EMAs, we have time distance, low K on the KDJ, the ATR4, trend channel. This is the recipe for a pump. Isn't that right, baby Pierre? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, I'd like to have you. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one. You want to say hi, Pierre? Say hi to the HOLO pumpers. Hi. Go pump HOLO. All right. See you guys.